2017 when we joined hand with PwC and National Insurance Company and many of our supporting partners to kickstart an annual meet where we would deliberate on the issues and the challenges and come out with suggestions which could be the roadmap for the stakeholders. And I'm really honored to say that under their leadership and this partnership, we have been just growing and growing. And today in 2023, once again, we are here assembled all together to continue that journey which was started in 2017. Over the years, we have seen the evolution of insurance sector with digital transformation playing a pivotal role in its growth and also for the preparedness of the future. In today's meet, our partner PwC will dwell further on the impact of technology through engaging discussions. The day's agenda is comprising of 3 business tracks. If I may just outline, track 1 will focus on digital insurance penetration and will also talk about cybersecurity. Track 2 will have the subject experts share their knowledge on the matter of regulatory matters and talk about the future landscape of the insurance sector. Track 3 will provide us the knowledge about the insurance product innovation and the sectoral partnership. We have also invited, along with the channel partners, some of the hospitals to share their perspective when it comes to partnership with insurance companies. So, ladies and gentlemen, throughout this day, we will be going through this journey of learning, de-learning, acquiring some of the new things, exchanging ideas, exchanging thoughts, and I'm as excited as all of you are to listen to our subject experts of today. So with this, once again, on behalf of the national management of ASSOCHAM and the regional leadership in this region, I welcome you all to today's program. Thank you very much.
In making India better for insurance for all by 2047. I am looking forward to a delightful, engaging discussion with the dignitaries throughout the day. As PwC, our endeavor is to make insurance contextual, to make insurance easier, and technology is definitely something which runs like a vein, runs like a heart, runs like the most important organs of the body. Having said that, in today's world, technology is almost embedded technology. And technology runs there all through. But the paper that we bring on today is not so much only about technology, but how the entire diaspora is getting into a different thought of making insurance customized, making insurance hyper-personalized, and making insurance something that we can feel, touch, and see. The last part of the thing that I would like to add here before we get into the proceedings for the day is that insurance brings a lot of responsibility, not just for the provider and not just for the regulator and policymakers. Insurance actually make you a lot more responsible towards the society as a whole. India as a country, you keep thinking and you keep hearing that 4% or less than 4% penetration on the life side and about 1% penetration on the PNC side is not great.
But insurance professionals is also in spreading insurance awareness among the masses. Over the last 6.5 decades, insurance in India has been transforming itself to deliver quality insurance education to the insurance industry. It's a members debate institute. As of 31st March 2023, we are having almost 3.82 lakhs members of III. Out of these total members, we are having around 43,280 members who have completed fellowship, that is the highest level of insurance certificate courses.
Insurers get a lot of visibility and importance in times of a calamity. And unfortunately, insurance get visibility only in times of calamity. The recent example is the times of COVID. Everybody was running for cover.
Are not tightened to ensure that this misuse of the system also is not happening, especially government schemes where my company is one of the leading distributors of the government scheme. So there is a huge scope for misuse. So those norms need to be tightened. Being from the agriculture side, coming from a company that's been enrolling farmers into the scheme for the last 2 decades, I can tell you with confidence that right now also in this scheme, government scheme that we are handling, the government has brought in a lot of changes in the operating guidelines. So we do look forward to some kind of improvement in the kind of enrollments and the subsequent claims that will come across the next 3 years of the operations of the scheme. So basically this is being done by use of technology and skills, basically digital technology as well as remote sensing and such other technology. So I basically believe that it really is important to go digital in a big way to reach a larger section of the audience.
समोल मैडम को बोल तो समोल सुरैया दी
Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, you have to stay back with us. The next award, Agri Insurer of the Year. And the award goes to the company Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited, New Delhi. And the award is received by Ms. Girija Subramaniam, Chairman cum Managing Director, Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited. Big round of applause. Thank you so much. The next section of awards, Best TPA of the Year, goes to the company MD India Health Insurance TPA Private Limited, and the award is received by Mr. Sachin Rawat, Senior Vice President Business Growth and Retention, MD India Health Insurance TPA Private Limited. Big round of applause, please. Big round of applause, please.
So there was a data breach in that company 2 years back in 2021. So the way it started is very fascinating. One of their computers got a browser update request from a site that appeared legitimate. So someone just clicked it, that person had admin right, so he actually could install that executable. And then it started propagating into that network because it was already inside the firewall. So it propagated and took control of all their existing employees and ex-employees' data and 10% of their customer data. And they said, this is not data loss, mind that, this was a data breach. So in this case, the hacker said, unless you pay me, I will release this data to the world. So that was worrying, right? So CNA Financial first tried their backup recovery measures and all.